Hi guys, Steph here. Sorry I'm a bit late. I got a little bit addicted to playing this card game called Dutch Blitz. My friend introduced it to me over the weekend and I promptly ordered a deck for my family on Amazon and it arrived today, and Michaela knew it was coming today and thought about it all day. We've been playing since she got home from school. And then, of course, I made time to make dinner, and we finished dinner, and then my husband and I started playing. And I kind of lost track of time. So, my apologies. If you're not going to be able to catch me live, that's fine, because you can watch it at another time. But I had posted a challenge. Yeah, what day is today? Tuesday. So yesterday, the weekly challenges are now running from Monday to Sunday, and I had posted a little teaser here, I think about this part of the card on the challenge, and the challenge is to do a project with masking. So maybe you know what masking is, maybe you've gone and Googled it, but I did promise that I would show you a little video tutorial on how to mask something. So this is the image that I used here. It is from, where's my stamp set? What is it called? Here we go. Humming Along stamp set. So it's a nice stamp set, mixture of images and sentiments. I really love the font and the big bold images on here. Perfect for coloring, which is what I did on this card. Now, there are framelits that go with this set, but for this masking technique, I did not use them. And that is my preference, because if you use the die cuts or punches, often they leave a little white border around the edge, and when you want to mask something, I didn't want some white in behind because I wanted it to layer properly. So you do need to fussy cut if you want it to look the right way. Just warning you. Okay, so let me show you how to mask something. I'm just going to grab a piece of paper here, and the other thing that you need is copy paper, just anything thin. You're not going to want to make your mask on a piece of cardstock. So copy paper or Post-it notes come in handy too, because they offer that sticky, right? So then you'll see what I mean in a minute. But you're going to take your piece of copy paper and you're going to take some ink. I am using Memento ink because I knew I was going to color with my blends. So then I needed to use the Memento ink. But whatever ink you want, it doesn't matter. You're going to ink up your image and you're going to stamp it on your copy paper. Then you're going to come in with your scissors and you're going to cut it out. Now again, if you don't care that you have a little white line, or perhaps you're coloring and you would have just colored it in anyway, that probably would have worked. Hi Libby, thanks for watching. I'm just doing a demoing the technique on masking, so how to do this sort of effect. So if you have your image, if you're not going to fussy cut it and you know you're going to color it, you probably could have colored in and you wouldn't have seen that space. But for proper masking, you're going to want to get your trusty scissors and cut out your image, okay, on copy paper. And that is what I've done here. So I have this image that I've stamped, and I've stamped over it so it doesn't quite look the same, but it serves its purpose. So once you have that, then you can bring in your project and you're going to ink up your stamp again. And the first stamp that you want to do is kind of the foreground, wherever you want that to go. So I just did it down at the bottom. So now you're going to take your mask. If you wanted to add a little bit of temporary adhesive to the back to hold it in place, you can do that. Or this is where it would help if you did it on a Post-it note. And you're going to layer it on top of the image that you just stamped. Make sure it doesn't move. All right. And then you're going to come back in and you're going to ink up your stamp again. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to stamp over top. So I want, how do I want this? Let's do it like up here. All right, staff, just make a decision, right? All right, stamp it. Oh, and that came up with it. But you see, now you don't have the lines running through that last image. And you have, it just looks like it's tucked behind. So then you can keep going until you get the look that you want. So in this case, I'm stamping 3 flowers. If you're doing a lot of imagery on the front, like here, see I have this leaf popping out now. So maybe you might need 2 masks, or you can play around with it and get it where you want it to be. So in this case, I might just, oh, let's see. I might just turn it this way. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna do it down here. And lift it up. Oh, that worked. See, so a little bit different than this one, but if I had, you know, maybe done a little bit of more masking, and I would have covered that leaf. But there you go. That's basically it. Hi, Mandy. I'm just finishing up the video, but I'll post it on the page and you can watch the replay. How to mask. All right, so that's basically it. I'm not going to finish the card and whatever. I just wanted to show you the masking technique. And that is the challenge for this week. So I hope that you'll participate, because Jennifer was the only one that participated last week and she automatically won Happy Mail. So she's getting Happy Mail from me. And all you have to do is participate in the challenge. It's fun. There's no judgment. You learn stuff and get to ooh and ah over all the projects. And I pick a winner to receive some Happy Mail. So nothing to lose. And lots of fun because you're crafting, right? So give it a try. Masking. Whatever you want. It could be a card, it could be scrapbooking, it could be anything you want, just using this technique. So give it a try if you haven't, and thanks for watching. All right, talk to you later. Bye.